This is Tim from YourSixGaming. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to use Google Maps offline. So let's go on over to Google right here and then go to Google Maps and open this up on our Android phone. So what you can do is download maps before, and if something happens you have it backed up on here. So we can go over to the main maps right here, tap our icon, and then go on down to offline maps, and then you can select your own map right here and you can scroll it around, and as you can see you can pick an area to download. So if we want to go to the Florida area, we can go to download, and you can see how much data it's going to be using up to download, and we can download that map. It says from your location while using maps. We got this map downloading, and then this will be saved on here now. So we can use this map at any point in time. So you might have to do it like a few different times. If you're going to be traveling across the United States, there's going to be a lot of maps you're going to have to download. So once I finish downloading that, I should be able to use those maps I selected. And we might want to do it in a few different areas. So it's going to be pretty much Google Maps now everywhere you go. This is a huge map. You're going to have to download a lot of different areas. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. Did leave a big thumbs up and subscribe my channel down below.